So I'm going to try to replace the shifter. The leather came off. It's the wrong color. You can kind of pull on this guy to get it up. And then there's this clip here. I'm going to try to pop off and pull out. This piece here no longer fits because I upgraded to a newer style console. So I'm going to just probably pull that out. Try to get these clippers in there. Pull that guy off. Well, no going back now. Let's see here. Slide this guy on here. Seems about right. I don't know if you can see that, but this clip needs to get squished. Alright, that seems pretty good. Well, there she is. Nice to have it black. This was a 2001 Beetle.